What if I told you the world's top neuroscientists and psychologists have discovered brain hacks that can boost your memory, sharpen your focus, elevate your happiness, and supercharge emotional intelligence? Yet most people have no idea they exist. Stay with me, because tip number 21 might just flip your entire productivity system upside down. Build a memory palace and never forget again. Ever walked through your own mind like a mansion of memories? Dr. Nicole Rust, a cognitive neuroscientist at the University of Pennsylvania, and computational brain expert, Dr. Kim Stockenfeld, explain why this ancient Greek technique works so well. Our brains are wired to remember images and spatial relationships far better than text. So instead of bullet points, visualize your ideas in rooms, hallways, and gardens. Next time you need to remember a speech, a grocery list, or exam notes, walk through your mental palace. Try this tonight. Let me know in the comments what your first room will hold. 2. Link memories to unlock recall. Neuroscientist Dr. Alan Rubin shows that memory isn't about raw facts. It's about emotion, weirdness, and meaning. Remembering something dull? Attach it to something bizarre, dramatic, or personal. The stranger the connection, the stronger the recall. It's how actors memorize thousands of lines, and how you can master boring details for life. Want to test it? Comment below the weirdest memory connection you've ever made. 3. Cut out blue light before bed. Dr. Andrea Hassenstab from UCSF has found that blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still midday. This suppresses melatonin, messes with your sleep cycles, and even triggers migraines in sensitive brains. Turn off your devices an hour before bed or use a blue light filter and wake up actually rested. If sleep matters to you, like this video and take control of your nighttime brain. 4. Move it to learn it. Dr. Adam Hantman at Harvard Medical School discovered a powerful secret. When your hands move, your memory improves. Writing, drawing, and physically acting out ideas activates the motor cortex and embeds learning deeper into your brain. Your body is part of the learning system. Want to boost retention by 30%? Start doodling while you study. Try it today. 5. Play sports that sharpen the mind. Dr. Marco Tripodi's lab found that precision sports like ping pong and tennis do more than burn calories. They strengthen neural networks for speed, coordination, and decision-making. Athletes often perform better on cognitive tasks. Ever felt mentally sharper after a game? Share your experience below. 6. Want to be happier? Expect less. Harvard neuroscientist Dr. Naoshige Uchida explains the dopamine curve. Lower expectations equal higher emotional rewards. If you set your sights low, but your outcomes surprise you, dopamine spikes. This paradox could be your key to lasting satisfaction. Try expecting less and prepare to be amazed. Let us know what shifts. Track your emotional weather. According to Dr. Cornelius Gross, understanding your emotions is like checking the weather. Feelings give data. They tell you when to push forward, when to pause, and how to better relate to others. Start tracking patterns in your mood, and you'll start seeing patterns in your life. Journal it for a week. What's your emotional forecast look like? 8. Try someone else's shoes on. Vision scientist Professor Rich Krauslis suggests one of the best ways to reduce emotional overreaction is simple. Switch perspectives. Imagine being that other driver, your rude boss, or even your rival. It humbles your brain and softens your heart. Empathy is mental training. Who will you try it with today? 9. Embrace the growth mindset. UC Berkeley's Dr. Linda Wilbrecht has shown that believing in personal change rewires the brain for resilience. Challenges don't feel like failure, they feel like progress. Embrace mistakes as upgrades. Growth is the goal. Type "I'm growing" if this hit home. 10. Match your space to your task. Dr. Gabe Murphy's research shows that your environment matters more than you think. Tidy spaces enhance focus. Messy spaces spark creativity. Instead of resisting the vibe, use it. Need to write? Clean your desk. Need to brainstorm? Let it get messy. 11. Offload to reload. Dr. Josh Dudman says it's time to stop remembering everything. Externalize reminders, calendars, journals, sticky notes. Free your brain to solve real problems, not just manage logistics. Still trying to memorize your appointments? Comment "planner time" if you're switching today. 12. Schedule your day like a pro. James Fitzgerald, a peak performance strategist, locks in his schedule the night before. Why? Because your willpower is weakest in the morning. A plan saves brain power and reduces stress. Try planning your top 3 tasks tonight. Notice how tomorrow flows. 13. Protect your peak hours. Dr. Randall Platt warns, don't waste your best mental energy on email. Discover your cognitive prime time. For some, it's 9 a.m., for others, 10 p.m. Guard that window like treasure. Block the noise. What's your peak hour? Declare it in the comments. 14. Know when to say no. Hungry? Tired? Emotional? Your prefrontal cortex, the decision maker, is offline. Neuroscience shows poor choices happen when you're depleted. Learn to pause and protect your future self. Don't decide while drained. Save big choices for when you're clear-headed. 15. Simplify to focus. Your brain hates clutter. Dr. Eva Telzer found that visual mess increases stress hormones and decreases productivity. Clean space, clear mind. Start small. Clear your desk, then your thoughts. Comment, decluttered if you're doing a 5-minute tidy today. 16. Turn boredom into breakthroughs. Many breakthroughs come not when working, but walking. Dr. Marcus Reichel's research shows that boredom activates the brain's default mode network, allowing subconscious ideas to surface. Feeling stuck? Go for a walk. Let your mind wander. Then come back and build. 17. Get curious about your brain. Just knowing how your brain works makes you better at using it. Dopamine, memory, cortisol, cognitive load, these aren't just terms, they're levers. Learn them, and you gain control. Want more science-backed insights? Hit the like button to get more. 18. Notice the patterns in your energy. Dr. Sarah Mednick says energy isn't random, it's rhythmic. You have peaks, dips, and recovery phases. Chart your energy like a graph. Schedule deep work for highs and recovery for lows. Take a week to track it, post your energy pattern, and inspire someone else. 19. Reframe setbacks as data. Stanford's Dr. Carol Dweck reminds us, failure is just feedback. Every mistake is a clue, a correction, a GPS update. If you change the way you interpret setbacks, you change what they do to you. Comment, data over drama, if you're ready to reframe. 20. Use stories to memorize anything. Our brains love stories. Dr. Marianne Wolf, a cognitive neuroscientist, says narrative structures activate multiple brain regions. Turn facts into stories, and they'll stick like your favorite movie plot. What story could help you remember something today? Write a quick one in the comments. 21. Design life around your brain, not the other way around. This is the master hack. Stop forcing your brain to fit into broken systems. Build your life to support how your brain thrives, your rhythms, your values, your energy cycles. That's the key to sustainable success. What's one thing you'll change this week to support your brain? Which of these brain hacks felt like it was made just for you? Drop the number in the comments. Share this with a friend who needs a mental upgrade. And if you're serious about unlocking your potential using real science, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because this is just the beginning.